tiny sprinkle of snow last night. There's the rig. Boys, here is the unit. That's legit, boys. Hydraulic self-loading sled deck. Got studded snow tires on her. Got a big spotlight on the roof. This is the real deal, boys. This is the real sled hauling deal. F250. Even these deck down ramps, the sides can fold up. The sides can fold up to make it skinnier to haul one sled, or fold down for two sleds. Boy, look at this! Look at this hillbilly unit. You know what? You don't need much money to live high, boys. Look at that. That's living. Well, not too sure about this, but okay. It sucks that it covers up my tail light, and it's a busy day on the trails today, but I want to go for a trail ride way over into the next trail system. I want to put some trail miles on, so I don't want to run out of gas. So, sure, let's try this. Yeah, it's snowing. Stop for the first stop of the day here. Just have something to eat. But I don't know. I'm going to have to try to figure out, because there's trails that just go, and there's guys talking about it yesterday, but I can't figure out how to get past the cabin on the groomed trails. So I'm gonna. Yeah, I got some exploring to do today, boys. I got the old, where am I? Got 5 gallons of gas on the back. Got my lunch packed. We're putting out some major miles today, boys. It's just gonna be groomed trail cruising, sitting back, listening to the old triple sing. Covering some ground today, boys. Just relaxing and cruising. There was an area way back, way back, but the road kind of forked off, and I couldn't tell which way was the groomed trail. I think it was the other way. But I'm on this big, like, it looks like it's just like a big dirt road. Like some kind of government road, logging road or something. So it just goes for miles and miles, but it's good going. Beautiful day. I just went through a gate thing here. So I think I'm coming out to, looks like some pastures cows here. So I think I'm coming out the other side. I think there's another town or something over here. Not sure, but frig yeah, boys. Just exploring the land. Look at that. Oh yeah, man. Yep. I need to win the lotto so I could just explore the land all the time. Have like 5 ultras. I can really tell I'm dropping elevation here. Look at the snowscape here. She's starting to change. I think I went up the hill and coming back down the other side here. See those little signs with the numbers? Like those signs are everywhere. There's little roads that go off everywhere. It's just like it's just a web of trails. So there, Dutch Connector Road. That's the road I was on. So I think the groomed trail kind of goes that way more, and it cuts across. So I think I kind of cut across, but I should be able to go there, come around, and it'll catch back on. I think. I don't know. It doesn't really matter. Just yep. Running out of snow here, but man, that is something, eh? Boys. My GoPro just like died. I clicked the button to turn it on and it just nothing. I got plugged into my battery pack now. and it's just no lights come on. It won't. It's just done. I don't know what the heck. Oh man, these things are so frustrating. Okay, well, we're running out of snow here. I can't wait to start coming back here in the summertime with my dirt bike. Now that I know a bit more about the land and the way things are, GoPro's just conked right out, and we're having a nice day. All right, mission complete. So unfortunately, the GoPro's just a paperweight now. It's just done. I don't know what happened. So there's Dutch Creek. Made it to Dutch Creek staged area. Went right up through to the other side. So that was the goal. Pretty. I went through like probably a mile or two of just like ice. But the old Ultra, she don't need much cooling. She's good. So today I slept, hoteled there, trucked to there, did this, came up, went to the cabin, went in the woods, made my little video, then I came out of the cabin, and I think I went this way, and I think we're here now. And what I want to do is get this trail and come around this way. Yeah, I think I came this way, but I want to catch this trail and make the loop. That would be optimal. But it's so hard to navigate because there's no signs or nothing. You just gotta guess. Okay, mealtime here. I'm starving. I don't know if I'll ever find the other road, but whatever. It's about 1:30 in the afternoon. I just pulled off of off the trail there. Nice little offshoot road. Cool. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Okay, this is, I don't know, a main trail. And that's the way back, I think. Nice looking trail, freshly groomed. But I got back to kind of familiar area, and then I took another loop in back around, and I came. This is like a single track off trail thing for, I don't know, a couple miles, I guess. So I'm just gonna keep heading that way. There we go, boys. See, there are guys pulling the chute there today. Whoop. Probably doesn't look like much in camera, but she's a healthy climb. You see, this guy's pulling up there. Oh yeah, we're down in there to the big open area. Yeah, dog. Ooh, way up. There, boy. There's a big, huge bowl area. If that was all powder, it'd be pretty sweet. Oh boy. Yeah. Whew. So, oh yeah, it's minus, what is that? 11, almost minus 12. There's the Fahrenheit for you Americans. Yeah, that's good. It's good. It cooled down. It snowed a fair amount last night. I was looking at some areas back over there that I was off trailing yesterday, and no one had been back in those areas, and my tracks are covered up. Yeah, cool, man. Man, you see all kinds of units around here. Look at that. Wow, I got to get myself some kind of homemade camper unit put together here for adventures. Screw the hotel thing. Wow, that was a perfect day of sledding. yeah, that off-trail stuff's cool. And I had a great time enjoying the sunshine, exploring. It was great, put on tons of miles, but there's just no replacement for getting out on that big, wide open flat groom trail and just cranking her wide open, man. Letting that old triple just sing. Just corner to corner, wide open. You feel that just chills going up and down your spine, man, as the adrenaline starts flowing. It's just, oh, I can't get that out of me, man. Just holding her wide open. I love it, you know. And the guys that know, they know, man. It's like, I don't know, it'd be like driving a Formula 1 car or a crutch rocket or something. Like, it's that level of performance. It's, oh, yeah, man. The old triple. Oh, they just got, those little triples, they just got that mid-range to top end pull. It's, oh, no. It's addictive. So that's it. That's all I got for you guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Not sure what we'll be doing, but that was my sled trip. It was awesome.